Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'll be showing you this hair treatment that has a lot of ingredients that are very rich with a lot of vitamins. So if you're interested in seeing how I do it, just keep watching. So here are my ingredients. I'll be talking you through them as we go. So we'll be needing a blender. It doesn't really matter, a small or big blender, as long as it will do the job, that's fine. My first ingredient is my cucumbers. Cucumbers are very good for the hair because they're very rich in vitamin A and vitamin C. They also contain a lot of minerals such as potassium, magnesium, silica, which helps to promote hair growth. So this is something you want to incorporate to your hair regimen. I have just chopped mine into little pieces just for easy blending, and I'm adding that to my blender. So the next ingredient I have is my all-time favorite, which is my aloe vera. I've also chopped them into little pieces and I'm going to be adding them to the blender. Aloe veras are very good for the hair. They help to strengthen your hair. They actually help with itchy scalp. They are very good for detangling the hair. I use this all the time to detangle my hair. They help to minimize breakage, because if you detangle and you don't get any breakage, then obviously you'll be retaining length. And then ginger as well. I love ginger roots because they help if you have itchy scalp, if you have any conditions with your scalp. Ginger is really good. It helps with dandruff, so if you're suffering with that, then ginger is your ingredient to incorporate to your hair regimen as well. I've also chopped it and I'm adding it to my blender just for easy blending. And also I have started falling in love, or I have fallen in love with cloves, so to say. So I'm trying to incorporate it into my regimen as much as possible because it's also good for the scalp. It helps to reduce dandruff and also helps with itchy scalp. And then we have moringa. Moringa powder is really good for the hair as well because it is also rich in a lot of vitamins. It also contains amino acid, antioxidants, and also has vitamins such as vitamin B2, B3, and B6. And I also have my neem leaf powder. Neem leaf is also very good for the hair. It has antifungal properties. It is very beneficial in treating dandruff as well. It also conditions the hair, adding volume and shine to your hair. I'm just adding a little bit of water just for easy blending, and then I'll just go ahead and blend it till my mix is completely blended and smooth. So guys, everything I'm adding here are things that your hair will absolutely love. So one thing you have to understand with natural hair recipes is you can take out and add anything you like. So the most important thing is feeding your hair. If you feed your hair will be healthy and your hair will grow. So you don't have to use all the ingredients in here. You can take out some, or you can add more. Is up to you. As long as you know what you're using is good for the hair, just know what your hair loves, and then try to create recipes that with those things that your hair loves. Once we finish blending, we'll go ahead and sieve it using the smallest cheesecloth or sieve that you have. The smaller the holes, the better, because we don't want any particles or any pulp going through it. So I will just keep squeezing gently until all the liquid is extracted. So guys, the recipes I share here is to give you options of the possibilities of what you can create for your hair. The most important thing is feeding your hair. So you want to feed your hair all the necessary nutrients. So I'm giving you options of what you can create, but just make sure that you're sticking to the ingredient that your hair absolutely loves. So if you know your hair loves aloe vera, try to do recipes that contain aloe vera in it, or if your hair loves moringa, then try to do recipes that has moringa in it. So I am a content creator, so not every recipe I create here is meant for you to try. It's just to give you possibilities of what you can create for your hair. So guys, yeah, the most important thing, like I said, is feeding your hair. Get the right nutrients for the hair and your hair will thrive and your hair will grow. So once I finish sieving, you can see the pulp. We will be throwing that away. I won't be using it, but I'll be adding some amla oil to it. Amla is very good for the hair because it's very rich in a lot of vitamins, such as vitamin C, which produces collagen, and we all know that collagen helps in controlling hair loss. It stimulates the scalp and in return promotes hair growth. So I will also be adding the almighty Jamaican black castor oil which is really good for your edges. So if your edges are thinning out or your edges are breaking, then you need to add that to your recipe as well. And I like to add tea tree, any essential oil. Actually in this video I'll be adding some tea tree oil, but if you've got some peppermint or some rosemary essential oil, use that. They help in stimulating the scalp and promoting hair growth as well. So guys, if you've watched till this stage, then please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't done that. I have a lot of videos like this which I think you will find really useful. The aim of this channel is to give you options to help your hair grow, and I think I have a lot of videos you will find really useful. So please click on that subscription button, and also remember to click on that notification bell so that when I do post a video, YouTube will notify you. So I will be transferring it into my spray bottle, and we know oil and water don't mix, so always shake before you use it on your hair. So if you're new here, I like to show my recipes either using my hair or my daughter's hair. In this video I'll be using my daughter's hair to show you how I do this treatment. This treatment is very easy. All you need to do is just make sure that your hair is saturated with this liquid, and once your hair is saturated, just make sure that you're concentrating on your edges, your tip. The tip of your hair is obviously the weakest part of your hair because it's the oldest part of your hair, and your edges are always the problem areas because, you know, once we have our hair in a bun all the time, before you know it, your edges are suffering. So you want to target those areas, just making sure that everywhere is well saturated, and massage it properly. And once you have done that, just use a shower cap, cover it for 30 minutes. Me as an adult, I'll leave it for 45 minutes, and then I'll just go ahead and do my normal wash routine using my shampoo and conditioner, and then go ahead and do my leave-in and using my butter to seal in the moisture. And so guys, that is it. This is the end of the video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up because it helps YouTube push my videos for other people to see it. And also share. Don't be stingy. Don't keep this video to yourself. Please share. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.
Singing oh na na, dancing in the sun, dancing all night long. Won't you come with me? Singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want.